Jumping in the water.
He stays up there. He just,
Must have like little air sacs or something.
I don't know. This is amazing.
If I never seen that, I would never believe that.
Put that on YouTube now. There he is. You're right there. Right here.
Yeah, pick up bug.
Good. Wow. I've never seen a bird walk on water.
See, come over here on camera.
I know. That's a pretty bird.
That is funny.
Because he's not swimming. He's just kind of,
Yeah, just
wow.
That's something.
I've never seen that before.
boing, boing.
And I mean, I've been around the ocean a lot in my life.
Oh yeah, look at that. Cute. I get all kinds of attention.
Yeah, I like that. She just wanted to put on the show.
We're all looking over here and nobody's paying attention. We're all-
Started hearing poles going, slap, slap, slap. That's amazing.
Wow.
I've never seen that before.
Well, it's like a trip along.
He'll probably be back.
I can't believe it. There he goes, flying around again.
Yeah, see little bugs going around the water there.
Yeah.
Cool.
That just blows me away. Probably look it up in a book, and that's what it'll probably say. It's a Jesus bird.
Yeah.
There he is, right here. Oh.
Wow. Bird.
Right over your guys' head.
That
That bird.
not the hat was related to in the black and white.
Oh my goodness, that's funny.
Yes, sir.
Unbelievable.
Wow.
Did you get good pictures?
I hope so. Where'd he go?
We always forget our camera.
Well, I wasn't going to bring it, and then actually I got the other camera up in the car.
It's like a bad version of it. Oh, here he comes.
Does
Come back.
the white version.
Yeah, I don't have my glasses.
Oh,
I
that's
couldn't
right
see
there.
that.
Yeah, he's coming over to get some more.
Yeah, look over there in his feet there.
Why would you take this? Nobody wants to see this.
Unbelievable. Birds that walk on water.
He didn't think that was awful. You have to let Mike know.
Stay off the light, eh?
Well, he balances. They must have like wet feet or something. Like
Yeah, or like
hold him
little
up.
air sacs or
Yeah.
something.
There he goes again. No. But he's not really jumping there. He's just
No, he's just looking.
And I mean, it's not like he's flapping his wings a whole lot
No.
way up, because when he stops to eat,
I want him.
the wings
Like,
stop.
just so funny looking. Like, I want to puff him too. Show your little closer.
Too cute.
There
you go.
Look at the closer.
Wow.
It's so cute.
You know what kind of bird it is?
That's incredible.
There you go. Come on in. Walking on the water.
I've never seen that before.
I know I've never seen that bird. I don't even like flying. I don't recognize, because you remember that white patch on its ass.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, as much as. But
I know.
stop.
Look at their blue.